General education, I feel like, gives us a nice little foundation to jump off of, a jump-off point, and it allows us to. We're more in touch with society. Everybody else kind of understands the same things. We're learning what everybody else is learning.
I guess to give people a range of opportunity. Some people don't know what they want to do when they come to community college, so general education allows them to, explore other options.
I think overall, although we might often feel like the courses don't pertain to either our area of emphasis or maybe we're not going to use it in our everyday life, I think that it definitely contributes to being a well-rounded person, because the knowledge you gain from it, it really increases your knowledge in different areas in life, and it will help in your interactions with people in different departments or different things you might come across, and just contributes to your personal growth, if anything.
I don't think general education is as valued as it was in the past. Now it's like times are changing, and I don't really see myself doing environmental studies.
I don't feel like there's much value to most general education courses, such as history. I don't think I really need it, per se. But classes like speech and English, I feel like I need those, but not history or philosophy as much.
For my education, they're very important because I'm going into the automotive field, so I need the math, I need a little bit of science, I need the English writing. I need pretty much all of it.
They're just important because they're all I need left to get my AS degree, so they're very important.
They're important to my education because I get to learn and see other subjects that I normally wouldn't if I just stick to my major.
Well, I believe they're important for me because as a business major, I feel like you need things like English and math just to get a better concept and write business plans and know what you're doing.
They are important because they teach you the basics, the foundation, and they give you a solid foundation in order for you to have a good regular study habit, which allows you to go into the field that you actually want to study.
It is in some ways important to know things about pretty much every subject, but there's a limit, I would say, because some things are just unrelatable and they're not important to what you're studying.
I believe that general education classes are not going to help me that much in my career.
The general courses for what I'm doing, they're not important per se. I'm getting a certificate. Radio, TVR.
Since I'm a mechanical engineering major, we had to take like 3 years of physics, so up to 1C. We take chemistry to 1A, 1B, math all the way to 55. That's a lot of classes, just like math and science, right? So it's really hard to try to sneak like general education classes in between them, because right now I'm just cramming it in whenever I have time. So it's kind of difficult for like majors like us to like finish in 2 years.
I feel that it can help me just with my knowledge and just, having common knowledge, but as if for like maybe math and stuff and subjects like that, I don't think it would really help me.
It does prepare you. Like languages, you can learn another language. It'll help you in your field, whatever field actually.
My personal feeling is that if we're going to have general education, let's apply it. Why do I need to know algebra? Well, PCC is doing its quantitative literacy classes now, which is a different way to promote understanding, statistics, understanding interest rates, understanding day-to-day life of mathematics, as opposed to just x plus 2 equals 4. What is x? It's 2, by the way. So it's important that we contextualize learning in these general education so that people are getting the skills of how to write that report, how to communicate ideas, how to speak in front of people. These are all of the things that general education should do, and I think with a little bit more contextualization really could do well.
For my future career, let's see. Well, for sociology, that was a general education class. That taught me about equality and just understanding the different differences in different ethnic backgrounds, and it's helped me open up to a bigger group of friends, and I don't know, it just made me see people with less hate even, and with an open mind.